I need to make an introduction on what I'm holding, but we got a full Catback Magnaflow exhaust system for Orbit 3 over here. Seems like it's a really nice piece, pretty easy to install. I feel like anybody could do it on their driveway. Not gonna need many special tools to do this either, so it should be a relatively straightforward install and shouldn't be very difficult. So, you know, it's time to unwrap it and get it going. So we've got the entire system laid out here on the grass. It's a pretty straightforward system. You essentially have a resonator right here, an X pipe that deletes the factory resonator essentially. It's pretty much straight through almost all the way back till you get to this section back here with the muffler blocks. It's a lot more smaller and compact than the stock one. And overall, the entire system is a lot lighter than your stock OEM stuff. So it's actually, you're gonna get a lot more significant weight savings as well as any kind of power gain you get from a better free flowing exhaust. Again, it's all just pretty much, you just slide it in just as so, like this, and then you use a clamp to clamp it on. Doesn't really get much easier than that. It doesn't require welding or any kind of really special tools that you need, except for some basic hand tools and stuff. So now that's pretty much the overview of the system. We're gonna get the stock OEM exhaust off and start putting this one back on. This is the entire section of the OEM exhaust. As you can see, it's very large and pretty heavy. It is a little difficult. It's a little difficult to remove by yourself if you're just using a floor jack, but it is possible, and it makes it a lot easier to disassemble. You don't have to do it underneath the car, so I choose to do this way. The Magnaflow obviously deletes this secondary catalytic converter. You got the X pipe here and a much smaller and lighter muffler section. The only thing you need to do to get from the OEM stuff is all your hangers need to be transferred over to the new ones. So you need the 3 right here in the back, and then you need the 2 right here that go in the center. Once you transfer those over, then you can pretty much start putting the Magnaflow back on the car. The entire exhaust mocked up. Everything is loose for the moment, which is a good thing, because when we put this section of the exhaust on, we actually had to shift it over quite a bit with a pry bar over to the left, so you might have to do that when you install yours. But other than that, the fitment was pretty much spot on. There's nothing hitting. So the only thing left is just to tighten up all of the C-clamps, the bolts up on the middle of the car, and then the header bolts, and then that's pretty much it. And we can see what this puppy sounds like.
Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Next video will be a stereo upgrade for this car. BAV sound. Thank you.